Kumana na githiururi kiria gikoretwo ho gia kana MCAs aria maranyotera iturwa ingi ni mabatie kuyeheria kanasha mieri 6 mbere ya githurano, na Spika wa mbunge ya bururi akiuga MCAs acio mari na nginyagia muthenya wa umuthi gukorwo makiyeheria.
A sitting member of a county assembly from running for position of member of parliament unless they resign 6 months to the election date.
Kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC ni theretie ndeto ino na kuga MCAs aya matibatie kuyeheria wira-ini wao amu ihinda riao riagiriirwo ni guthira thutha wa miaka 5 iria mathureirwo gutungata.
And we want to challenge IEBC to wake up, and they should be doing continuous issuance of statements to give direction on the process of election.
Kwana korwo na riendekithia ria kurora gicunji kia watho gatiba-ini kia 99 kuona watho uyu nduhutagia magavana, seneta ona kana ambunge, na kuringana na macira maria manakorwo ho makigiritanio na gicunji giki kia watho gutire mundu wanakorwo akiyeheria. Mbere ya IEBC kuruta ndumiriri ino, kiama kia Spika ambunge cia county matongoretio ni mwandiki munene wa kiama giki Kipkirui Chepkwony ni mekuritie ma MCA matigakorwo na hahu oro yothe na mathie na mbere na wira wao nginyagia marike miaka yao 5.
Haifai ama si lazima, hakuna sheria ambayo inamlazimisha kujiuzulu ndio aweze kuwania hiyo kiti ya ubunge. Lakini ikiwa anataka kuwania kiti wakati wa by election, kama kutakuwa na vacancy ya by election, ndio anahitajika kujiuzulu.
Gukinyeria riu kuri na namba nene ya MCAs aria maranyotera iturwa ingi ta cia governor, senator na ubunge, undu uria uramagagaitie uria mundu egwika niguo ndakanoro ni mweke angikahotana giturwa kiria arenda. Namba iria rugameire MCA 90.
We have currently more than 90 members of county assembly who are desirous of contesting for both member of parliament. Some even are contesting for senate, and there are 5 who are running for either governor or deputy governor.
Kuringana na IEBC, MC urenda gukana ruirira gite kingi abatie kuyeheria mbere ya neanite maratathi ma kura cia wamurani wa ciama kuri kamiti ya IEBC. Ndeto ino ni gututhurite mawoni kuma kuri mawakiri na MCA ON makioria watho uyu uthathaurwo.
You want to contest for a senior position in the political ladder, like run for governorship, run for MP, according to Justice Murima, there is no need for resignation. We are in a situation where we have 2 conflicting decisions from the High Court. Though the Constitution looks clear, the judgments coming from the High Court appear to be suggesting otherwise. This is going to be very interesting going into the future, but I think the Court of Appeal needs to clear this.
Ndwetagwo Jaji Murima akiuga atiriri tamu ya MCA ithiraga thutha wa miaka 5 na dismiss cira uria watwaritwo wa kumera matiacagurirwo na njira ya njega maumeiti.
Cira wa mubunge wa Gatondo ya Rugongo wa Njiko wa Kibe ni umwe wa uria ukoretwo kiorotwo kuona igoti ikaru ritanyitwo gukaheana itua ria cira uyu tariki 18 mweri wa 3 mwaka uyu, na itua riri nirio rigakorwo rikiheana mwerekera wa ithurano ingi iguka. Gerifotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.